Hello everyone, so welcome to this lesson on using invideo AI for our prompt generative AI lesson on reading. So once you've registered for invideo AI, you'll be presented with this interface. Okay, so I already have my prompt ready. So this is supposed to help us generate a video of our story. So just to bring our story to life. So if you have your students reading, you can let them copy some of the text and then just paste them here. So I already have mine and I've pasted it here. So a short Ghanaian story on why hawks always catch chicks. Okay. So this from a Ghanaian story when we were young is something that we read. Okay. Yeah. So all I have to do is to I can use a YouTube explainer, or let's use YouTube explainer. Okay, so let's just follow this. We can use 1 minute. I'm going to paste this here. Okay, the same thing. You can add mm, creative things here, but let's just move forward. Um, let's use a sad. I want it to be a sad scene. Okay, and then let's use a female voice. And, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's just go with these settings, and then all we have to do is to continue. I think I like what is I'm being presented with, and then if you have, so the pro account allows you to record your own voice, and then whatever the generated video would come, or the audio would come with your own voice. Yeah, so I'll click on generate a video and then wait for it to analyze and then do all the processing. Then we'll see if we have the actual results of what we want. So basically this is supposed to help your students learn to use prompts to create or bring stories to life. Aside that, it makes them stay relevant. They are able to um, shy away from like the complex or the complexities of having to edit or purchase expensive what is the name, expensive editing softwares. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to pause this and resume it later. Okay, so it's generated this interface, and then for my audience, I can choose story lovers or I can choose children, but let's use story lovers. Look and feel inspiring. Let's use dramatic. That's from YouTube is fine. You can also edit the prompt, okay, or would ignore that, and then just click continue. So you're going to wait for it to do all the processing. Okay, so this is what we are presented with, and then we can play. Okay, so I think I like this, and then I can click on the sports video. Use stock watermark, normal, and I'll leave it to 1080p, then click continue. So we're going to wait for it to render, then we can download our project. Okay, so 20% complete. Let's see where it's down here. Okay, so it's 100% completed. Okay, so let's see. You can also still play or download or share. So I'm going to download it. Then let me see more. Like this, download. Then it should get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you can allow your students to present their projects or what they've done. They can explain the prompts they use or why they chose that particular prompt, and then maybe a discussion can be held. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next. Okay, let me just take this out. Take this out. Then save it. Yeah. So thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.